Coach Cook here from Riverhead Charter School, bringing to you a game called Builders and Bulldozers, Project Fit Style. The unit we are in now is a hockey unit, so we're going to do it hockey style. First person in each line is going to dribble to a cone. They're going to stop the ball. They're going to bend over, pick the cone up, yell out the number 1. Dribble to the next cone, stop it, pick up the cone. Yell 2. As soon as all of the cones are picked up, they'll run to the bin, grab that amount of cups, and then the second person in line is the bulldozer. They're going to do exactly the same thing, except now they're going to knock the cones over and then grab cups. Here we go.
We got Michael as a builder. He's dribbling, cones up.
Yell out the number.
2 hands on the stick and I.
And that's the game, Builders and Bulldozers, hockey style.